The interior design doesn't always dictate the design of the ceiling. Sometimes it's the exterior. This is a great example. Now you can see this is a really dark room I'm in, but this is going to be a media room. That's why you've got the black walls, black ceiling. It's going to look really good. On the outside though, you can see this is a beautiful high-pitched gable. Inside, you'll see the walls coming up, and then the ceiling follows the same line of the roof outside. However, at the top, the ceiling flattens out. Now yes, this gives it a great unique design in here, but there's also a purpose for this. You see, this is actually a bonus area over a garage, and the only access to provide the mechanicals such as the lights here, electrical, behind here, you've got the heating and air conditioning vents. The only way to get to this is to create a space between the ceiling, that's the flat part, and the top of the gable. Now, even though this is brand new construction, it may be that you have a room, possibly over a garage or somewhere in the attic, that you also like to convert to living space. You may want to consider a design like this because it does allow you to get the best access of the space and still have ample access above.